These RC cars have not been driven in 5 years. How will they work? The Polaris is rechargeable. The Marvel is 8 batteries. Top speed, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Oh, what the heck? Yo. I can't drive. Bro, this thing is too crazy. Like, I cannot record and drive at the same time. Use change. The Polaris is much more tame. I can hear like clicking in that. I guarantee that's gonna like break apart eventually. Ready, set, go. Oh my gosh! The Polaris is definitely slower, but it is so much more stable. The Polaris easily climbs the gravel, and so does Marvel. Both being two-wheel drive. These toy grades are pretty nice. I don't know what the inventors were thinking putting 8 batteries into a RC car. Changing from front-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive literally anytime you want is crazy.
They can both do that, but it's probably more anyone twitch as well as that.
Man, I can hear clicking in that. That thing sounds horrible. Here's the clicking in described. That sounds horrible. What I think's happening is that gears in this thing are getting stripped because it's so old, and sooner or later this thing's just gonna fall to pieces, unfortunately.
How old is this one that I'm driving?
That is at least older than 2019. Any time before that, that's how old it is. And the Polaris, 100% that's 2020. I used it like 3 times, and that's about it, because I lost the remote, and I got a new remote, so it's finally found its weakness. I think the inventors just put too much power into that little thing. No way! Oh! Oh! Man, that thing's terrifying.
This?
Yeah.
I can really control it. Oh man, too much power.
I can't get away. I'm not moving. Can you rock climb? Nope, no rock climbing.
What's it sound?
Wind. Hey guys, it's just the wind.